Guys, how you doing? Let me just chill this stuff a little bit. One poster chart, ruining the party for everybody. Hourly. Weekly support. Ouch. For hourly, very important. Ouch. I was up 10% on my long. And now, you know, 0.3%. You better bounce off of that level, man. You better bounce. Here to crash the party. See, as soon as you start posting stuff, it goes down. We got a line, guys. We got a line. No worries. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine, guys. It's gonna be fine. Fear kicks in, Bitcoin down 0.5%. Everybody calling for 10k. 4 more people mad, selling the bottom of the dip. Panic spreads. Meanwhile, TLA buying. Hi Jimmy, how you doing? George, TLA. Cover you. We are fine. Thanks George. I get George on my side. We are fine. We are fine. So far. We're gonna see. This move up here, I mean, this is some kind of, you know, next level pumps or dumps. It needs to bounce off of this level. This is Dogecoin, but you know, this 600, you know, long position is already, you know, down 0.0%. But we got another account, guys. We got another account, 2.9k. So 400 million challenge account, 2.9k. We're gonna use this up here, and we are getting, you know, mad nice entries. So we can look at stuff right now. We can look at stuff. The pullbacks are, you know, very nice. Ape looks like it's on support level on 5-minute time frame. Let's see 4 hour. 4 hour is very important. 4 hour you can, you know, go down more when it comes to ape. But also you can just bounce over here. Solana sitting on the support. Everything sitting down on support. These are such a nice entries. Of course, if they play out. Cardano was also nice, but Cardano is actually sitting a lot higher than nice. I was also looking at ETV down here. It bounced right now right back down again. We are below 1 minute 200 indicator approaching Claudia 50 minute 100. Be careful. Oh man. Oh man. George, we are losing support. Mento, what's up? 30 minutes up here. 6 minutes left on the 4 hourly close. It's gonna be interesting. Definitely gonna be interesting. It was some 5-minute channel. These two lines is a 5-minute channel or 1 minute channel. This was 1 minute. Sorry, 1 minute rising wedge. But it's coming down some kind of support up here. So. Bam! Soon, guys, soon. Isn't there some kind of news today? Some people are expecting some kind of news today, something. Are you looking for longs? Yeah, of course. I'm looking for those. Look how nice this is. Look how nice this is. Look how nice this consolidation is. It went above the, you know, resistance line, pulled back, sitting down on support, gathering longs, bam. Of course, if it goes down, it's, you know, game over, but, you know, there is no life without risk. There is no life without risk. So we assume this is good. We assume this is gonna bounce. We go long, and if it doesn't, you know, we lose the trade. Stuff happens. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. We need correction. Why? So you know, people can buy it. People cannot buy in. People are too late. Too late for buying in. And there is so much tweets going on. Watch this guy move to me at the gym. They're posting this kind of stuff all the time. 4 hourly open sea. Germany. The cryptoverse. Uniswap users staring at BNB. Challange Substack. Bulls have a chance to reverse the market. This is our Bitcoin trade. Let's see the Bitcoin trade. Support level, resistance. Matic. Bitcoin up here. Let's looks like this head and shoulders pattern up actually played out. Funny, damn it. They're fudding me out my trade. Matic went nice, went up here, double divergence at the top up here, pulling back right now. They got a, you know, bullish divergence up here so far. Momentum going down through the top. Volume up here going down on the move. Phantom also reversing a little bit towards downside. See 1 minute time frame. Do we see any kind of? No, we don't. Big drop down here. We're gonna wait it out. Ape. We're gonna see. It's gonna play out. See you tomorrow. Trade safe. My trading session is over. George, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate your input. I'm glad you're on my side. 4 hourly closes in 1 hour up here. 4 hourly. Four hourly still looks strong. Daily pulling back a little bit. As long as 4 hourly close above the 10-20 moving average up here, I'm fine. Look here. That's the move. How can you dump down so much? See up here my entry point. It went all the way down to 0.84 and it's bounced off that. But this is this move up here. Right now 200 moving average on 1 hourly time frame up here. 4 hourly still staying above 10-50 moving average up here. Got rejected by the 20. Daily time frame looks fine. Big fast move down cannot be sustained. Be safe in Bitcoin. No panic, we go to 21. I thought you were on my side, man. 21. Oh, man. Yeah, 2 minutes left. I didn't actually... 22,650 is a small support. Yeah, I can see that. 650 up here somewhere on these levels. I didn't actually want to, I wasn't actually, you know, about stream. I was actually about streaming, you know, tonight, but because I was about to drive my kid to practice, but then somebody else drove him, and I was like, yeah, finally I can do, you know, we can do live stream. I was also thinking about ETV up here, long position on ETV, but it's breaking on the downside. So glad I didn't take that, but you see these, you know, bottoms down here. If nothing, there will be some kind of you know, some kind of bounce. Just right now, you know, Dodge had 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles in a row. Can it have a fifth? Sure it can, but it can also have a, you know, nice move towards the upside. This is the most important thing. 20 seconds, closing above 10-20 moving average, very, very nice. Hourly closing above the support as well. Up here, and a nice move towards downside up here, still holding above the support. Momentum is, you know, pulling it down. There we go. We got a 4-hourly close on Bitcoin above 10-20 moving average. So I'm guessing this can actually go all the way down, you know, touched again, just like over here, previous 2 times, you know, 1, 2 touch. Can we go down to, you know, 22,875? I definitely can. We can also bounce. Right down here. I mean, why should we do that? We came very low. Now the pump starts. So, what are we buying? Cardano. Cardano is back below 10-20 moving average up here. Let's see 4-hourly time frame. Bullish engulfing candle on a 4-hour, but it's not bullish engulfing, but still below the support. Cardano looks nice. Solana looks nice. Like, so many things looks nice, guys. AVAX looks nice. Lunk doesn't look nice. Ethereum Classic, nah. Doge, Shiba. Let's see, Sand. Wow, Sand is at bottom. Oh, Sand is nice. Too many lines. Straighten it down. Do you have any kind of divergence up here? This 4 hour. Let's go to 8 hour. Up here. Yeah, it's a slight divergence with this, you know, change coming in. Long position on Sandbox maybe. What are we looking at Sandbox? Just, you know, up here like 6-7% right now, down to 3%. Yo, late adopter, thanks for sticking with the true thick and thin. Thick and thin, man, thick and thin. Hey Sputnik, how you doing, man? I think if nothing else, like, you know. There we go. And right now I think everything to the moon. I think we're gonna put a sand long. I think sand long up here. I don't like these curvatures though, but it is on the support. Let's see 1 minute time from up here. It can do another one of these moves down here and then go up. Just created this one up here. Let's wait a little bit. Living the dream, chief. Nice. Pure Gaming, Challange. No, Pure Gaming. Welcome back, man. How you doing, man? Long time no see. Pure Gaming used to be here, you know, when we were bullish. So right now he's back. What kind of downside do we have? 1%. So what is the news today, guys? What is the news today? news today. With the account balance of 2.5ish, do you use 250 per position trade or go all in? All in, like, why would I use 250? Like, we are never gonna get to 1 million with, you know, using 250. We gotta use full position. Now, you know what? We just gonna rip it. I think it needs a pullback though. Why we are dumping so much? Dumping so much? Why, you're crazy? What you mean dumping? Like, where is the dump? What kind of dump are you talking about, Ben? What kind of dump? Where is the dump? I don't know what you're talking about, man. Literally don't know what you're talking about. What kind of dump you talking about? Bitcoin is down 0.3%. 0.3% and you're calling it a dump. Yeah, went to Pokemon cards instead of clear, but I think I'm gonna buy some Cardano and Bitcoin this week. It's turning bullish, I think. It might be. Pokemon cards, how is that working out for you, man? Look here, on the dollar, my entry on the dollar right now acting as a resistance. God damn it. 233, 22.9, 23.2, 22.9. I don't know, there's some skanky moves up and down. There we go, we're gonna pull back up here, which is nice. I mean, we are betting that 4 hourly, you know, support is gonna hold, right? I know we are below moving average, like up here is like more safe thing to go, but you know, it's a major support level. It's really fun getting all the nostalgic stuff from my youth. Nice. Those getting liquidated longing in the last week are having special talent. Yeah, how do you get liquidated longing? But you know, it can happen. The moves down are so fast. Normal tomorrow, the futures expire, then the real action starts. Might be that as well. Might be that as well. Dump that keeps on dumping. Yeah, it's good. We broke that war up, so right now going for a retest down here, which is nice. Let me see sand. See 4 hourly on sand. No, I don't like this actually. One, two, three, four, five. Do you think the bear market is over or not yet, TLA? I thought that, you know, in June, July, you know, when you were at 20k, we went into accumulation phase. I think so, you know, but you know, I might be wrong, of course. Double bottom down here. What's Bitcoin doing? Doing the double bottom on 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, pull back again towards downside. Pushing it down, pushing it down. Bitcoin can go down to 22,873 though. Again. All the way down there, right? It's a little bit, you know, too fast move towards downside. A wrecked city. No, it's gonna be fine, man. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna survive this. We're gonna survive this. We're gonna long. It's gonna be fine. Wrecked city. Wrecked city. Where is the sand? 367. Let me see your extensions. Minutes. 1 hourly. Don't tell me this is it, guys. Don't tell me this is it. Tiela, take a look at OP, please. Not right now. When the bear market is over, when someone calls 0.3% down a dump. Exactly. It's actually right now 0.7% down. Are we getting the support? Yeah, we're getting kicking in, support's kicking in, 83 up here. Five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. Did I miscalculate my lines? Let's find better lines. Where is the line? These lines, man. I don't know, man. Sand. Is it? Is it really? Yeah. Okay, like, we are in a sand. Sand long. There we go. So we're gonna see how this plays out. Bitcoin went down to support on the 4-hourly time frame. 22.8. So if it, of course, if it dumps below this, you know, it's kind of game over. But we are buying the fear. Also, this is increasing towards downside up here. Can't say it looks, you know, all that well. Can't say, but you know, I think we are living in hopium right now. I think we are living in hopium. I think I was getting a little bit too excited, you know. Wow, big dump. As soon as I buy, life. We gotta know. Might be a going trade, man. Ah, it probably is. There is like 2,000 coins. There is definitely something to trade. Wow, the push down is big. There we go, the big candle up here. So unless this actually, you know, bounces back right now, I don't know what's happening. Bitcoin broke the support. It's holding support, so it's fine. Dodge is also holding support. The channel, hit the channel down on the dollar, bouncing. But where is my bounce on the sand, man? Where is the bounce on the sand? We gotta know, Tile. Where is the bounce on the sand? There we go, some kind of bounce, but it's gonna probably bounce just to the, you know, to the resistance up here, and we gotta know, Leaf, we gotta know. Mental stop loss, guys, mental stop loss. Bitcoin 0.5 down. Look at the action down here, guys. Look at the action down here. Up, down, up. Look at the action, guys. Look at the action happening. Nobody knows what's happening. People are very much bearish. People are so bearish. They think every dump is gonna bring us down to 10k. And I'm looking at this 4-hourly time frame. And as long as we are above the resistance, it's all good. We gotta keep the bullishness as long as we are above the resistance. I mean, if we fall back below that, I mean, that's gonna be bad, right? And you know, there will be indications that that's bad once we get to that point, but right now, you know, we gotta stick it on. There we go. A little bit green candle on my Dodge long up here. You can see up here. I mean, I went Dodge up here, long up here, right up here. I went long on Dodge because, you know, trend line support. But right now broke that, rejected, and right back down again. Bitcoin 0.52. Let's see 1 minute time frame up here. Is it doing it? Is it doing it? It needs to break this line towards upside. So we're gonna see. Bitcoin is supposed to go to 8K. Psst. Nice, maybe, I don't know. 413. Are we bouncing? Are we bouncing? We bouncing. I don't know how much we bouncing, but we bouncing. 10x goes so fast, man. We bouncing, but not that much. It's okay. Slow bounce is the best bounce. Slow bounce is the best bounce. There we go. Above 10-20 moving average on 1 minute time frame. So you're gonna see. We're gonna see. There are levels that need to be broken, there are moves that need to be made. But eventually, those that are bullish, they will make it. What's my entry on, I don't know, something like 8-6-12. Don't know. No stop loss. Spot CVD including all stablecoin. Till I need to teach you how to trade with leverage and stop loss. What is a stop loss? There we go. Little bounce. Hopium bounce for the people. Still in red, but you know, we are not, you know, 5% trend, we are only 2% trend, so it's fine. Draw a line on DXY and exit your position on a retest. No. Why do we have to follow DXY, man? Why do we have to follow DXY? Which line do you want? Oh, what time frame am I looking at? It's pulling back. What line are we looking at over here? This didn't break. Still below 10-20 moving average, still leaning towards the downside. 4 hourly. This part over here. I don't know, I think something like this over here. No, we didn't break yet. At least not the way I drew the line. I mean, very nice hit, almost very nice hit, very nice hit, very nice hit. Very, very close. DXY bullish falling channel. Strong bullish trend breaks towards downside. Guys, Bitcoin 4 hourly. I'm telling you, this 4 hourly is the alpha and omega. Look here, look at these wicks on the downside. Where did we call the support here? On the 10-20 moving average. Look at these 3 wicks on the downside, or technically 4 wicks on the downside. Right now, bouncing up here again towards the upside a little bit. Trying to break the towards the upside because you gotta know it's gonna be a big move if it does happen. So we are betting on that. Look here, up here, 1 minute time frame created this very nice. You remember this this move up here, this buying and selling, this trying to push it down. It failed. Right now above this retest up here. This is 1 minute time frame, so it doesn't matter really. But you know, it's small time frames that, you know, give us you know, hopium. Dogecoin still way above, below my entry point. Doesn't matter. We're gonna let it go a little bit more. Sand very close to the entry point. I think. Where is the entry point up here? 1.3, just below it. It's gonna extra resistance right now, but it's okay. Remember what I wrote on Twitter, guys. Remember what I wrote on Twitter. People are in fear. We go down, you know, 5%, 0.5%, they crazy. Fear kicks in. Bitcoin down 0.5%. Everybody calling for 10K. FOMO people that just bought are mad, selling the bottom of the dip. No, this is going down to 10K. Panic spreads. Meanwhile, I'm chilling buying the panic dip. I was thinking, like, In bullish trends, like you gotta have belief. If you believe that you are in bullish trend, don't care about what everybody else says. They can be fudding, they can be, you know, telling you it's gonna go down 10k, they can be telling you it's gonna down 15k, 0, whatever. They can be telling you this news is bad, DXY is gonna die. You cannot assume what they are thinking. You cannot assume, you cannot take in their fear and panic. You gotta believe. So we're gonna believe, and this trade is gonna go well. Hopefully. This is why folding channel. It's bullish. Pulling back is fine. The pullbacks are fine. Pullback is fine. Just 1 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame still okay. It's bullish. The chart proves it. What's bullish? The Bitcoin or DXY? I'm a little bit unsure what you're talking about. How can this be bearish? How can this be bearish, guys? How can this be bearish? I don't get it. Look at the line. Look at the, you know, moving average up here, curling towards up. Look, see how it went down up here and right now curling this way up here. How can this be bearish? How can it be bearish? I don't get it. Daily time frame, bullish engulfing candle up here, right? You know, bearish engulfing over here, but you know, and then right back up here, bullish engulfing candle right now. We have a pullback up here, which is fine. Then just continue. I don't know. I might be crazy, but I think it's bullish. And as long as holding this 10-20 moving average is fine. Now, of course, if we break the 10-20 moving average, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is bullish. Hi, Bear Moon. Bear Moon, what a name. What a name. What a name. You guys think this is gonna work out? Let's do a poll. Are my longs gonna work out? Okay, what do you guys think? Ooh, the dump. It's fine. See here. Bam. So basically, we should go all in on Come Rocket right now. I think Come Rocket is out of circulation or something like that. I'm a little bit unsure about that. I'm a little bit unsure about Come Rocket. Maybe if Elon Musk posts something about Come Rocket. What you guys think? It all depends, you know, this shoulder up here, how far down. It goes like something like this, then it's kind of game over. But you know, if it does something like this over here, it's fine. And Dogecoin up here, 1.27. Are we going to 100k soon? Not soon, but you know. But Eric, didn't you say we're going down to, you know, back down to 15k and 10k and 12k and stuff like that? 61% believe in me. I don't know if that's good or not. It's a little bit, the music is a little bit slow. There we go, bouncing. S&P wants to dump. Everybody wants to ruin the party. This is gonna go down in history as the day when bears got wrecked. I feel it so hard in me right now, guys. I don't think you understand. I'm getting a little bit bullish. Yes, that's it. That is right. But I'm also feeling a lot that a lot of people wants the big dump, and I don't think they want to give it, because every time I've seen Bitcoin pull back, it managed to hold the support. It managed to hold the levels. It managed to, you know, ride back up again. And I think we are going above 25k. I think we are gonna go and bounce so hard above 25k. Everybody's gonna FOMO in, and it's gonna be like the bear market is over. Right now it's confirmed, and once that happens, then we're gonna have a dump. But I don't think I don't believe in the dump right now. I'm bullish, but not extremely bullish. I learned my lesson from last time. You know, I'm watching the charts. I'm trying to read as best as I can, and I'm trying not to be overly bullish just because we went above certain level, right? So, but I think that it's gonna play out. I think it's gonna play out. If you fail getting about 25k, who knows? Maybe it's gonna be 10k, right? But if you do get about 25k, there is not one single person in crypto that's not gonna turn bullish immediately. Michael Altcoin, long time no see. Thanks for stopping by, doing your job. I don't know what I'm paying you for, but you know. Guys, how long is since you've seen Michael Altcoin in chat? Nice to see you again, man. Doing the job. Bitcoin goes up and down a little bit. No problem whatsoever yet. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Our sand long is kind of climbing a little bit, but not quite. Not quite. We're very close. I mean, we can close it up here, you know, but you know, where would if we close it right now, where would the belief be? We gotta believe. We gotta believe in something. Dumpage. What kind of dumpage you talking about, man? Yeah. You need to give me moderator. Nah, not again. You got one chance, man. I believe in giving people chance, but I don't believe in giving people second chance. I believe in giving people one chance. What do you think about Cardano if you turn bullish? I don't know, man. Might just play out. Don't pitch. You guys, I can't believe how bearish everybody is. Everybody wants to dump. TLI Crypto, what about bearish divergence? More likely to be overruled in bull trends. Wesley, are you in the chat? Wesley, if you're in Mladen, do you remember just before we had a nice big pump towards the upside, you posted the bearish divergence? Where was it? Down here somewhere, over here. There was triple bearish divergence up here, right? Remember that? Triple bearish divergence, and this still pumped towards the upside. That's what I think about bearish divergences. In a strong uptrend, any kind of bullish pattern is bullish, but any kind of bearish pattern is also bullish. Everything is in bullish trends. Everything is bullish. Doesn't matter if it's divergence, if it's you know, momentum, if it's volume. Doesn't matter how, you know, inversely it's correlated or whatnot, right? Everything is bullish. I don't believe me either. We gotta believe, guys. Where will we be if you don't believe? And I tell you guys, you cannot listen to other people, not even me. You know, you gotta figure it for yourself. You gotta be so strong in your TA, in your belief about what's gonna happen, that you are willing to stake your money on it. And once you do that, and it plays out your way, you will get confidence to push on. No, volume is the final indicator of the reversal. It might be that. Like if there are too many, like if you got a divergence on the chart, you got a losing momentum, you got a volume going down, and it still breaks towards the upside, hugely bullish. On the other hand, you know, you gotta assume that it can, you know, that's gonna reverse towards the downside. At least with that amount of, you know, of indicators, we gotta assume, you know, that it can turn around. Bull's about to get wrecked. I'm gonna take 5-minute break, guys. Oftentimes, you know, when I take 5-minute break, something happens, so let's see if it's gonna happen. About 50 moving average on 1 minute time frame. Attila breaks some magic. He's just like his chair with go to the moon. It might happen. Guys, Bybit! Join Bybit if you want to trade with me. There's a link down below. You support the channel, you make money. Like, could life be any better? Also, if you know, deposit 250k on Bybit, you get 30k bonus. Only 250k, I mean, you know, pennies. I don't like deep mode. Let's move. There we go. Bitcoin recovering. Inverse head and shoulders target. On the inverse head and shoulders up here. 23.2. Resistance up here at 23.1, 23.2. Sand right now 3.15. I think we are in profit on sand. Yeah, we are about in profit on sand. We believe 5% up. Nice. Entry wasn't, you know, the best, but you know, it's okay. Dogecoin, how's my Doge long doing? Still below entry. But we broke this downtrend over here. Which is kind of good. We got a tweet. In TA we trust. In TA we trust. Investment fund details. Shares Ripple preferred stock. Sales fee 5%. Share price 15.54. Less than 11.05. What's this price? Watching Ripple pre-IPO share price. Pre-IPO share price 15.54, including fees 16.32. Wow. I don't know, but this is Ripple, this is not XRP. Riti, here's the Bitcoin update. Smash the likes button. What is he saying? What is he saying?
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I'm Craig.
Craig.
I think they're going in a bear market, which Bitcoin has never seen, and Bitcoin is a risk a year. 8 is where we still have.
I talked with him on his comments in the chat, and I said if you pull this 3 right up here, it becomes perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 away, right? 1, 2, but no, I don't know why he pulled it all the way down to 8k. He said that this over here is the market moves or something like that, or sorry, what he said. I don't know what to say. We can go check it out. Still thinking, you know, 25 level up here is very important level. But here looking at 14k, you're not getting 14k, man. You're not getting 14k. $14k. Imagine hoping for 14k. Like you're crazy or something, man. 14k. Which one was it? People post too much. Too many notifications. Let me see up here. Was 2 days ago, something like that. I think it was this one up here.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I'm Craig, and today, as usual, we're going to go over the charts. We're going to take a look at the pre-markets, then the Dow Jones, DXY, then we'll go into Bitcoin from the monthly to the weekly to the daily to the 4-hour to see what's going on. Definitely stick around for the whole video. Make sure you smash those thumbs up and share the video if you would. Leave your comments down below. Let's get into it.
4 days ago, man. It was 4 days ago.
Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel.
Yeah, here. So I told him exactly at 3 mark. So over here, so I tell him exactly at 3 mark. If you pull the 3 to July low, it would fit perfectly on a chart. Why you pull 3 down to 3, 4K? I have no clue. So if you pull this 3 down here to the July low, it would fit perfectly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But why he pulled all the way down there, I don't know. And he says, eh? I said Elliott wave 3. And he said, that's not Elliott wave count, it's a bubble pop pattern count. What is a bubble pop pattern count? I don't get it. And I said, I have no idea what a bubble pop pattern count is. Bubble pop pattern count. Bubble pop pattern count. Technical analysis. Bubble pop. Yeah, so this is a savvy bubble thing stuff up here. Price patterns. Bubble pop pattern count. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Bursting the bubble. We went above the resistance, right now pulling right back inside over here, so we're gonna see if this actually plays out. There is a inverse head and shoulders up here on 5-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame up here. But we did not bounce hard. 4 hourly. Let's go to another chart up here that's clean. 30 minutes up here. Still holding this support level down here. Do we have a lower low on the 30-minute chart? No, we got a higher low. It's fine. You follow all the moon boys, man. Yeah, I follow all the moon boys. But that's my job, you know. I don't expect other people to follow, but you know, when you're a YouTuber, your job is to follow all the moon boys. Principal 8K is the last candle to recover by market maker. Not the 14th, we go to 12. Yeah. Oh, just like guys. Moment. There we go, guys. I'm back again. Doing well. Don't you get copyright strikes for these tunes? No, I probably get copyright strike, but I'm not monetizing these streams, so as long as you don't monetize streams, you know, it's okay. Nice, climbing up nicely up here. Our long position right now in profit 4.3%. We are above, so it's good. The big one. Dodge needs to do a little bit climbing, but you know, it's very close. It's very close. It's okay. We survived. We survived. Almost. Almost. TM Trust and Marie. Trader. Must chill, must chill. Sheldon Substack. Bitcoin is gonna rip through everything, guys. We believe it's gonna happen. We believe in our TA. I haven't been watching charts for 5 years for nothing, guys. I've been watching charts for 5 years, every single day, up until, you know, 3, 4, 5, 6, even a whole night long. Just watching charts go up and down. I must have learned something, at least a little bit, during these 5 years. Don't you guys think? Hey all, hope the trades have been going good today. Technically yes, right now a little bit shaky, but you know, they're coming along. I was just asked to help remove a dust cap that wasn't budging from a nice woman's tire and accidentally ripped the whole thing off. Tire now flat. Hey, it happens, man. Hamza, bro, legend. I will become a legend. That's the plan. Right now, I'm not so much legend, but you know, maybe in the future. The Central Planet, what's up, man? How you doing, man? TA is really good. Our TA is good. Not my TA, our TA. I want to share the love. Bitcoin 4-hourly candle up here, still looking nice, juicy like ever. Look at this. Wait, what's this? What's this line? Oh, that's this line. 4-hourly candle. Looks nice, looks juicy, looks ready. I think it's just a matter of time. I think just a matter of time. I might be wrong. It won't be the first time. You can't miss this bullish Bitcoin signal. Bitcoin dominant charting. Bitcoin bull run begun, or is it a trap? Crypto saving. Crypto life, a top 3 strategy guaranteed for gains. Get a nice secondary trend line up here. Where is this line at? It's fine. Trading range. It's gonna happen, guys. It's gonna happen. We got a third trend line towards the upside up here. The rising wedge. Think we would get 30k with this move starting New York Eve, and the bottom is in. I also think it's possible that we haven't bottomed yet. So we either bottomed or we didn't. Okay, man. I am very confident that we bottomed, guys. I'm very, very confident we bottomed. But, as always, I might be wrong. But I was also thinking that we bottomed around 20k and then we went down to 15k. I didn't think the 15k was possible. I thought, you know, we are gonna get a spring. But that spring like lasted for so long. So long. Never be too confident. I'm trying to be realistic, if that's a thing. I'm trying to be realistic. I'm trying to be realistic. I used to be very, you know, before I used to see, you know, 20% pumps and get, you know, super excited. Right now I see 20% pump and I'm thinking like, is it gonna reverse? Is it done? Is the FOMO too much? Is the psychological level being hit? Are people, if people are not too optimistic about something, something is slowly going up 30%, but nobody talks about it, that's actually very, very good. On the other hand, if something, you know, goes up 30% and everybody talks about it, that's not so good. Do you feel max pain when you're at 15k? I think so, I think so. I didn't feel max pain, I felt, because I didn't, how are you gonna explain it? I felt, I didn't care, you know, I didn't care. If we went down to 15k and you know, in my mind I was like, it's okay. Even if it goes down to 12k, 10k, I really don't care because I already bought everything at 20k, 19, 20k. And I really didn't care. I really didn't care. Like honestly, like we went down, and you know, like you know, I was optimistic around 20, but when we went down to 15, I was like, oh fuck, you know. But it wasn't like you know, pain like, oh please come up, please come up. There was never any kind of, you know, big doubt that we are not gonna come up. But I knew that, you know, that we could also drop down to 12k or 10k or whatever, right? So you know, but I kind of accepted the fate. You know, I didn't, because I bought since it went under 20k. Nice! Next stop 13k. A very good day. I got a sexy time with nurse and she said my libido is good. And I'll be out to hospital soon. I need a must go do a 200x now. Jack Spitz! The madman, guys, the madman. Right from the hospital bed. It's kind of look a little bit, after this inverse and a shoulder, it's kind of look weak, gotta admit that. See, we are up here on the rising wedge up here again. Rising wedge here again, right where my entry is. The big question is, do I exit now? Oh, what's going on? Godot, I do, man. Not much, we are long on sand. Technically in profit, but... What's our entry? 7270. Entry low. 10x entry low. Down here. Still okay. I mean, this move up here can definitely do another one of these moves and then go towards the upside. I can definitely see that. Good, good. So you're riding the moves. Rising wedges. Yeah, rising wedges. Don't overestimate or underestimate rising wedges. We are a bullish trend. Nothing is wrong with the trend. The trend is your friend until the fat lady sings. The fat lady haven't sung yet. So we're good. There is nothing wrong with the chart. The chart looks nice. Perfectly fine chart. No problem with the trend. We are in the channel. We've been going sideways up here ever since we hit this, you know, top up here. And right now we're coming to this, you know, support levels up here. So, you know, bounce. Join the club, guys, if you're not a member yet. Never, but the one on step and just. Superb. GMT is stepping, right? Might be some kind of falling wedge here, you know, immediately looking at this falling wedge up here. Is this a falling wedge? No, it's just channel, it's just channeling towards the downside over here. 4 hourly. Rising wedge. It could be a wedge, but it could also be a channel. Unconfirmed channel, something like that. I believe more in channel. You know, when a wedges are, you know, wedges should be more tightly, you know. But this looks to me like some kind of channel. I think, you know, wedges should be more tightly, you know. They should look better than this. You pulled all the way up there. It's still, you know, it's still not as tight. Maybe something like this up here. Maybe then. It looks like a channel. That looks tight. Shall we zoom out even more? No, it still looks like a channel to me. Yeah, it looks like a channel. Give or take. But I think this, you know, this pop might actually go down there, something like this. But then this bottom down here. Maybe. Bitcoin failing the rising wedge towards downside. I can already sense that. There we go. Rise failing down here. There's 50 moving average up here. 5-minute time frame up here. Got rejected by this 20 moving average, pulling back down to support level. It's a rounding top forming, dumping soonish. Rounding top forming. On what kind of time frame are you seeing rounding top, man? I don't see. If you look at this chart over here, there is no rounding top. Do you see? Does this look like a rounding top to you, man? How do you see rounding top up here? There is nothing roundable about this. Like, it looks more like, you know, triple top up here, but still above the 10-20 moving average. I don't see it. 1 hour charts. No, there is no rounding top. I don't see, you know, at least the way I'm looking at it, I don't see any rounding top. There was a double bottom down here, where it played out nicely, went up, pull back to support, still holding the support up here. So if it does fail the support up here, we're looking at 200 moving average on 1 hourly time frame down here, might actually go down 22.3. Over here we also see the 50 moving average up here. But I'm still, you know, counting that this support up here, 10-20 moving average will hold. Don't ignore scam weeks. Yeah, this is a scam week, but we're gonna go up and fill the week, right? So that's what I always say, fill the week. And the price increased by 10.97% to 2.85. Trade now, it says. How do I get these kind of entries, man? Four hourly, still 3 hours left. 1 hourly closing in 3 minutes. It's gonna be interesting to see how this actually closes in 3 minutes. Bullish engulf. It's not bullish engulf, it's divergence up here on the chart. Slight divergence, but you know, still. Hopium. We like hopiums, guys. ATP topped. You mean APT topped? Yeah. I don't know if you saw my you know, video today. Yeah, this looks like a blow off top up here, right back down again below the support up here. Might go up here a little bit over here to resistance and then, you know, break and go down. Yeah, too much bullishness on APT, too much FOMO, too much everything, right? So we're gonna see that, but you know, it's still not below you know, the 20 moving average. The trend is still not broken. There is a trend over here, and this trend is not broken yet, you know. So it has, you know, it can go all the way down. It can just go do something like this and create a new trend up here towards the upside. It's not over quite yet, but you know, this move up here, it looks like it might actually, you know, pull back a little bit. I like when people come in the chat and tell me that it's gonna dump. It gives me confidence that it's not. See what people are saying up here. 154 tweets, so many tweets. Remember, scooping all altcoins during this year will increase your probability of getting those 100x. You can scoop it, yeah, but you know, what's the purpose of getting 100x with, you know, 10 bucks? It doesn't make sense. I get completely wiped out. I never short this. Today I decided to do it and I lost everything. I committed to my APT short and got destroyed. I'm left with nothing, even my bags I sold trying to save that fucking short. It hurts. I've never lost so much in my entire life. It's sad, man, it's sad. But I don't feel sad for people that are trading. I could feel sad for people that are investing and, you know, go down 90% and stuff like that. I don't feel that much, you know, sadness for people that are trading. I think if you take a, you know, conscious action to trade, especially short, then it's on to you. Like I don't feel any, like, shit happens, man. Shit happens. Move along. Get next batch to throw on the pile. Life isn't getting any easier. It's only you that gets better. There we go. Give him a little pep talk. It's okay. Inequality around. Blah, blah, blah. Atom has a big potential for next bull run. Yeah, everything has a big potential. This guy, target, is still short to me as of now. This guy loses money constantly. I don't know, do you guys watch this guy? This is target hit guy. He has a, you know, he has a YouTube channel. Target hit. Target hit. This guy. He always, like, deposit 15,000, right now 7,005. Like, I don't remember any time that I've watched this guy. Look how many shorts he has. OP, IL, ADA, ETH, Bitcoin. He always loses money. I don't know where he's getting his money from. Maybe he's, you know, super rich that he can fund his account. I don't know. He's always losing money. Literally always losing money. Is that a good short? No. He's always losing money. Fake trader, dude. Yeah, I think so. I mean, he's selling something, you know. I don't know, but if I was always losing money live on YouTube, I mean, I'm losing money from time to time, you know, and stuff like that. But you know, the way he's losing money, you know, all the time, and he's been going with this, you know, these live streams for, you know, a year or two, and I literally cannot remember a time where I saw that he was actually up with money. He does nice trades, some nice trades, but most of the time he's always down. Yeah, he's been losing for more than a year. So I don't know where he gets his money from, literally. The fact that we fell out of this rising wedge up here and, you know, still holding the support up here, this line up here needs to break out towards upside again. Yeah, again back at the entry, very nice. Soon. Our 10x long sand is playing out nicely. Come on, a little bit more, man, a little bit more. 8% up, that's nice. Yeah. So I don't know, that guy, man. Main. Been on a hunt for this since. I'm not really big into watches. I'm not really big into the, you know, luxury stuff and stuff like that. But I'm into, you know, special kind of watches, you know. show this the run of the golden bull run. It's actually quite good.
Their spirits were sunken and low. Their bags weighed more than a ton. There was neither sign nor show when the bull began his run. The shields were shilling wall to wall. The gig was up, they had their fun, and every short got a margin call when the bull began his run. The candle's green came fast and tall, each wick was bold, quick to stun. His eyes burned red and his horns did more when the bull began his run. Now fortune smiles upon the need, his bags of gold gleam in the sun. The outer stream of his balance sheet, and every bear is left with none, since the bull began his run.
Why did Matic explode? Yeah, that's a good question. I actually did a long on Matic today, before it actually exploded, which was actually quite nice. So where is the Matic lines? There we go. So I did Matic long down here because it just looked very nice, right? It looked very nice up here. You can see up here I managed to get above the moving averages. We're holding above the moving averages up here. So I did long up here and I closed my position right up here at the resistance. So I was expecting some kind of consolidation, some kind of pullback up here before the move towards the upside. Unfortunately, this just exploded. You can see up here. You know, my position, you know, started up here. It went a little bit down up here. Then it went above it. It went all the way up here. So I closed exactly up here at the resistance. When it pulled back, now I did not expect the wick, right back up again. I was expecting some kind of move down here, then towards the upside, right? So I closed the position up here, but exploded like crazy. But why it did that? Well, it looked good up here. Over here, this on the daily time frame, you can see here that yesterday actually managed to bounce off the 20 moving average, got back above the 10 moving average. It was already looking good, and then on the 4-hourly time frame, it was keeping up above these moving averages that was start curling towards the upside up here. So I was thinking like this looks good, and it exploded towards the upside. Why, exactly why, I don't know, but it looked good. There we go. We are climbing above, another resistance up here. It goes very, very slow. It goes very, very slow. Did you see Noak's ARC one? No, I did not, because TL took profits. Yeah, yeah, exactly. I took profits, so it exploded. If I didn't take profits, it wouldn't have done that. Too much bullishness on the video, yeah. Every time I take profits, stuff plays out, unfortunately. So it's fine. We're gonna learn our ways. We're gonna learn our ways. Yes, my Dodge long is back in profits, guys. My Dodge long is back in profits. You can see here entry level. This is the line, and right now we are in profits again. Profits are profits, bro. Yeah, exactly. Profits are profits. Now, since I adopted this profits are profits, mentality, I'm actually making money. If you remember before, I used to, put my stop losses at entry, and oftentimes, these entries got, closed. If I just took profits at, and we were up like 20, 30, 40% on some of the trades. and yet I did not close the profits. And oftentimes we would, you know, lose the trade, you know, lose $6 and stuff like that, because, you know, it went back down to entry levels. So I figured out, you know what, I'm gonna start taking profits. Profits are profits. 20-30% profits. So if you just keep on piling on these small profits, maybe, you know, maybe the ball will start rolling a little bit, you know, in our favor. Up here, it plays out nicely. This over here broke as well, which is very good. We can actually go into higher time frames up here right now. $30 minutes, 1 hourly, 4 hourly time frame. 4 hourly time frame up here playing out nicely. 1 hourly. Did we have 1 hourly close? Yeah, we had the 1 hourly close this week on downside. Let's see how Bitcoin looks on 1 hourly close. Right below this 10 moving average. Not what you want to see, but so close yet so far. Okay, Bitcoin is making his move. Nah, it's not. You didn't take one 40%. I'm sometimes pissed because I don't take a 10. Yeah, I mean, there has been definitely times where we had like 40% profits, we didn't take, you know, because if you, the way in my mind, like, yeah, sure, it's up 4%, it's gonna pull back a little bit, but then tomorrow it can do another 20%, you know? So, small time frames, man. So, like right now, if you look it up here on the trades, this is a sand, and sand is up right now 11%. So, you know, but it has so much upside. If it plays out, it has so much upside. Like, you know, the entry is the problem, right? Getting a good entry on any kind of trade is the problem, right? You know, and once you're in some kind of entry, once you have a good entry, right, you want to let that go as much as you can, right? Sometimes it pulls back. Small time frames maybe. Now, I mean, we are technically, if you look at it, we are trading this on the 4 hourly time frame, because we are trading the 10-20 moving average up here on the 4 hourly time frame, right? We just zoom in very, very hard so we can, you know, buy down here somewhere, right? Okay, I'm green again. There we go. We're green again. Everybody's green again. Good times. This looks like slowly climbing towards the upside up here. Rising wedge. So many rising wedges. In 4 hour, it's still in the channel. Yeah, it's still in the channel, but on the 4 hourly, it's above. It's on the support. It's in the channel, on the support, on the 10-20 moving average, keeping those levels. Broken this trend line over here. There is a trend line. Broken the trend line. It's gonna explode. We gotta believe. We gotta believe. In TA, we believe it's gonna explode. 25K, it's gonna happen. Please. We're gonna see. There you go. We came into the resistance up here, pulling back a little bit. We're gonna see what's up. Matic is up 10% right now. Phantom is a beast, guys. Phantom was beast for a long time. Where was Phantom up here? Phantom is a beast, man. This April. Look here, guys. I'm gonna show you. I started making video on Phantom down here, guys. I started making videos on Phantom down here, and this was logarithmic chart. So Phantom went up here 36x, and it pulled back, and I was like, nah, it's not, it's done, it's just gonna, you know, whatever. And then it does another move, man, 67x, and then it goes down, then it does another move, 25x. Phantom is a beast, and if you look at it from the bottom towards the top, man, this thing did 203x. It was one of the best performing coins of 2021. A beast, literal beast. Careful, I'm bearish IF at the moment. But if you are bearish, that means it's not gonna play in your favor. Why would you be bearish? I don't get it. You gotta tell me why you are bearish. Are you watching too much of, you know, Crypto Savvy and other, you know, bearish YouTubers? Sheldon the Sniper. Send back to spot. By the way, I had a poll today. Where is it? I had a poll today. Where are you at now? I'm mad I didn't buy, only 7%. But look here, 27% says mad but it's coming down. Bought hard, 35%. Trading every dip long, 30%. So, you know, there are definitely, you know, a lot of, at least, you know, when it comes to my community, 60% either bought hard or trading every dip long. So that's good. It needs to make up his mind. Either let me TP in peace and enjoy the weekend, or effing pump. Yeah, Ethereum is kind of, you know, slow poke right now. It's not Ethereum time right now. 21 bearish, not new low bearish. 21.8. Ooh, that's low, man. Can Phantom token continue its amazing price action? It might be. Matching. Don't be surprised if Bitcoin sees prices below 18 in a week. See, this is why people are bearish. This is why people don't believe. This is why people think it's gonna come back down again. Who's Matt Cheng? Part-time trader, full-time income equals freedom. So he basically, you know, just does, you know, trading like me on the side. Technical analysis. 21k followers. What if we are wrong? Analysis I can't unsee. Yeah. Yeah, doesn't matter. Tesla will need to see 152 to hold. I can't take anybody serious that says, you know, 18k right now. If Bitcoin wanted to dump, it would have dumped already like 5 times over. It just doesn't dump. That's the thing about Bitcoin. Excess. Nice. I was actually looking at Exia as well. Guess batch trades are the ones we don't share. 20x matic long. Yeah. Sometimes, you know, just keeping stuff for yourself, you know, playing music in the background might be good. USD bearishness is getting a bit stretched, it seems. This stretch position is starting to worry me a little bit. Shot of the Bloomberg analysis assumed Tesla sold Bitcoin because the net value of it went down instead of understanding price just went down. It looks like Tesla offloaded some more Bitcoin this quarter. They now have 184 million in digital assets, down from 218. Okay, so they still own the assets. It just looks like it's less because Bitcoin value went down. My non-Web3 friends. Apple is the world's largest company by market while beginning to dominate the world bank. Here is the CEO on Bitcoin. Wait, I need to listen to this.
When did you get in? Do you own crypto? Any Bitcoin or Ethereum? Would you play around with this?
I do, yeah. I think it's reasonable to own it as a part of a diversified portfolio. And I'm not giving anybody investment advice, by the way.
When did you get interested in it?
I've been interested in it for a while, and I've been researching it and so forth. And so I think it's interesting.
I think this is an old clip of him saying that. There's a little bit different. There are bit superior. Down, 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 down. So a bit compares showing CVD market trades mainly used by algos when the unloading process in futures are not holding the price anymore. So he said, based on his book map, based on some indicators, CVD indicators up here, showing unloading process or whatever down here. I mean, you can see the curvature move, that is definitely unloading process. Even he thinks we are bearish. Okay, how are trends doing right now? This pulled back a little bit, still above, you know, our entries, which is fine so far. Unless Bitcoin dumps big time towards downside, be good. Be good. And the Dogecoin right now is below the entry. I mean, we just came back up there again. Sorry about that. There we go. We'll call an oracle if we hit 21.8 before Monday. I will give you bragging rights, that's for sure. Before Monday, what date is date? Thursday, so 1, 2, 3, 5 days. 5 days to get down to 21.8. Where is 21.8? $21.8. 4 days. But what if it does this? What if it goes lower than 21.8? Are you oracle then? Or do you think it's gonna bounce off of the 21.8? I'm long on Luna 2.0. Of course I bought that risk. Of course. It happens. Do you think we're gonna bounce off of the 21.8 or are we gonna go lower than 21.8? Or is 21 gonna just get hit and, you know, whatever? Still in the wedge. Step by step. Some Clarice. Some Clarice. Some Clarice. Paper. Okay, 21.8. I'll give you the bragging rights if we hit 21.8. I bought Solana at 8 to 13. Yeah, but what's your average? 10? 11? Doesn't matter. You bought down here, man. Wow. Okay, you bought down here. That's nice. So in some average down here, you're up like, you know, 2x, which is nice, very nice. I love it. Wow. I like it better when, you know, we don't enter the trade right away. Because then, you know, we can, you know, look at a little bit charts. But right now we're just kind of waiting, you know, something to happen to Bitcoin. The wedge was nice. It's creating right now some kind of channel maybe up here. But scrappy channel. Let's see up here. So this played out, so we can remove this over here. So this didn't play out. There is line up here. Do you see the line up here? And the top line up here goes something like this up here. Might go something like this up here. Maybe another rising wedge. So many rising wedges. You're just waiting. I don't know what's waiting for, but it can wait for a long time. This move over here can definitely do, you know. See how much, like over here, see? But it did it once, will it do it again? Okay, let's take 5-minute break again, guys. Bybit, if you got 250k, you get 30k sign-up bonus, just so you know. Trade me, guys, on Bybit. getting there. It's going so slow. Consolidating. Do we have hourly close? 30 minutes close. Hugging. That's nice. This is nice. 1 minute 44 seconds left. 2050. Can we get above it? Yeah, I think so. Still boring. I'll get some more soup. Yeah, it's boring. Unfortunately, one of those streams, man. Some streams are good, other streams are not so good, you know. These guys, man. Show me most hilarious meme. Suck up. Half it is profit looking. No color. I don't get it. Some price Dutch one. I'll spare here. All this infector. The all is infector gives me. Cinema. Nice. I'm just stealing the meme above. But after a while you'll see a crocodile. Gators can live up to 100 years, which is why there is an increased chance that they will see you later. When I hike a mountain for the sole purpose of smoking weed at the top of it. It's my passion. We use 100% of our brain. You're still a soldier in red versus blue war. Thank you very much. Stop clubbing, baby seals. Once again. Negotiation May Solar. Stop clubbing, baby seals. Not so interesting, not so interesting. Bruh, what do you think the chances are this next bull run happening? Well, the US economy is contracting and the TA shows resistance. Don't bullshit me, everything is pumping. Cryptonal says yes. What are the chances? Not good. But the Twitter god says there is a high chance. I would expect more like another leg down. So you're telling me there is a chance? Gotta retweet this is nice. Best meme of the day. There you go, 30 minutes closed above 10-20 moving, but it's open below. 1 hour late, 30 minutes left. 20 moving average at 23.60, still acting as the resistance. Still got his high up here. Going into the consolidation up here, this consolidation phase might actually play out. A longer time frame up here, something like this up here. Some kind of channel. A little bit more up and we're gonna be in green on Bitcoin. Yesterday was just insane, so it's just okay to be stuck. What about sand are you bullish about? What about sand are you bullish about? What about sand am I bullish about? Let's see up here. Sand, where is the sand? What about sand am I bullish about? Well, sand has this bottom down here, double bottom. It has a trend line support So we are expecting Bitcoin to go towards the upside, and we're expecting also Sand to go towards the upside as well. Because if Sand can actually do this move up here, it's just gonna continue, and we are buying the very bottom, right? So it's not bullish just yet because it's right below the, you know, the moving averages and stuff like that. You see here 10, 50, 20, 10 moving average. It's below everything, but it does has this double bottom on the support. So we are buying this double bottom on the support in hopes it can do this move up here, and once it does this move up here, it's gonna, you know, explode, right? So we are a little bit, you know, premature on the move. You know, it would be better to wait, you know, maybe some kind of, you know, if you want some kind of fast move above a certain moving averages, getting ready up here and then towards the upside. But, you know, double bottom up here on the support. So we are buying then in hopes that, you know, Bitcoin does the thing, and then this does the thing, and then this continues towards the upside, right? Vinat, can you please check on Strax? I'm betting on it for 100% pump. Strax? I don't know what Strax is. This is the first time I hear about Strax. I think you got your 100% pump. Nah, it was 20-30%. 20% pump. It pulled back big time though. It's consolidating up here below the 200 moving average. It came very close to the 50 moving average on the weekly. It's above 20 and 10 moving average on the weekly, so you know there is a good chance this is gonna continue towards the upside right now. Yeah, breaking the trend up here, above 10-20 moving average. It could also pull back up here and then do the move. There's a lot of ways how this can actually play out, but as long as Bitcoin is, you know, doing the thing, it's okay. Back in the wedge. Nice. Maybe 200 moving average. Fair enough, sounds good, mate. Thanks. We are going pump. Shib's a good watch. I mean, there are so many good watches. There are so many good coins right now that are looking like they have, you know, it's about picking coins. And I see a lot of people picking, you know, stuff that's already pumped like 30, 40, 50%. That can play out, right? But, you know, these coins that are down at the bottom, you know, waiting for some kind of next move up, those are the big ones. Wow, we've been streaming for 1 hour and 47 minutes right now, hitting this resistance up here. Not actually the most optimistic move, but Dogecoin again at the resistance. Oh man, look at our entry, man. Our entry is the worst possible entry we could have, like on Sand. But this one is playing out so far. We are up 10%, something like 10% up here. It's okay. Everything is down more than 95% mostly. Yeah, a lot of altcoins that are down by above 90%, I would say. Okay, green on Bitcoin. Yeah! No, wait. No, Bitcoin is minus 0.1. Wow, watching this, you know, 1 minute charts, man, it just takes your breath away. 23,287, 23,287. Yeah, I mean, if we get to 287 up here, I mean, that's gonna be insane. If you get up there, like, it is important level. Top up here. It is very important level, but if you get above that, it looks very, very good. LDO looks like be sitting on support. Might retest 284 if it looks to move up 22% to that level. Yeah, there are a lot of coins got these, you know, 20-30% moves they can do, right? The big question is when are they gonna do the move? LDO, I don't think I've checked the LDO chart. Oh, this doesn't look good though. See how it went very fast up here, and right now it's, you know, doing this curvature move up here. So, you know, I will be a little bit, you know, careful about this move, because this move can do this up here, right? So you can do a pullback. Just know that. Not financial advice, of course, but, you know. Big fast move towards the upside. and then it starts doing this up here, this curvature. This looks actually like a bearish curvature. I watched video but never bought. Even on Tech predicted Aptos long back. I mean, he predicted a lot of coins because, you know, he's shilling a lot of coins. You know that that Martini guy on YouTube? That Martini guy. Do you know what his biggest shill is?
Hello?
That Martini guy. Do you know what his biggest shill is? It's Swissborg. Swissborg. CHSB. Bitfinex glass node Obi. Let's see a Bitfinex. This is biggest shill. Swissborg. I think it's a wallet. I don't like wallets. This is his biggest shill. And right now it's 2 market cap, it's 230 up here. It went up, you know, to some kind of 150 right now down to 0.2. So you got like 10x plus to do on the move. But you know, he got in on Swissborg down here, you know, so of course he's gonna shield this, you know, big time. But the good thing about Swissborg is it didn't create this, you know, low at 0.07 or anything like that. It came to 0.02, so I'm pretty confident it's gonna, you know, perform. But how much? OP. So up here, a big move towards the upside up here. The chart looks exactly the same as Aptos. Exactly. Let me split the chart and go to Aptos over here. Small time frames. Sorry, this is daily. This daily, but this is happening faster, I think. Nah, it's not the same. No, it is the same. See up here, first move up here. Well, first move, second move, third move, fourth move. First move, second move, third move, maybe fourth move. I don't like this retracement over here. That's what I don't like. Because this move up here should, you know, continue towards the upside. Because every time up here it went kind of, you know, here just, you know, continue bumping. Here it went a little bit sideways, then had a big move towards the upside. Here it went down, but you know, the big move, you know, happened. Here it went down, but the move actually just came up to the tops up here again, and right now pulling back. So it might be, you know, kind of game over for OP right now. God damn, the 30-minute chart that didn't want to play out. 1 hour still don't want to play out. 4 hourly. 2 hours left. So 69. But it's holding the support, so it might bounce. 273. Liquify, forgotten years. Sure, man. I was busy there. What did I miss? Is he in a trade? Yeah, we are on a send long, but it's very boring stream because nothing is happening. So we are watching 1 minute chart to get some kind of excitement, but nothing is happening. Now money will go away from Aptos OP to others. Just find out those. Yeah, I think so. You know, I think so. I think so. You know, I think Aptos and OP is late. People who got, you know, very low on Aptos right now, you know, they are rotating money to something else, I think. I might be wrong, but... Second. that move down. But it's just kind of holding for dear life, you know. Double top up here, might pull back. So what do we do now? (6.2%). The real mean minus 5% on this one. Anchor. Oh, this blast of 200 moving average, very important resistance up here at least. Monthly also very important resistance up here. Weekly, but the weekly is about 20 moving average, and the trend is broken. The trend is broken, so it has a pullback right now and stuff like that, right? But still, like, it still looks like it's an option road. As long as it follows the line, it's an option up here, it's fine. Oh man, getting tired. I don't know if that really was a double top. Let's see. It's a small time frame, so it's gonna play out really fast. Anchor buy. I said as long as it doesn't fall below the line, it's fine. But you know, it can fall below the line. So let's check that out. It's a double top up here on very small time frames up here. So you know, move it back down here. All the wedges turn into channel. Yeah. So what are we gonna do? This looks like dropping down a little bit, so it's fine. Have this, you know, head and shoulders pattern up here. I think kind of played out already. This is way too steep to be a channel up here. Breaks low now. I think I'll take my $5 loose and go with some Netflix. Yeah, that might be also a good idea. I've been in front of the PC all day, almost all day, watching charts. So yeah. It'd be a good idea to take, you know, a break off. How do you find the cryptos trade? Well, you go from, you know, crypto to crypto. You look at the chart, you figure out, oh look, this looks good, this doesn't look good, and when you find something that looks good, you trade. Are we gonna watch second charts or something like that, you know, just for more action? That rejection. More downtrend on 5-second chart. Guys, if you want to earn money, just go opposite my my positions. Yeah, sometimes that could be good. Somebody should, you know, post, you know, their. Somebody should post their, you know, entries and losses, you know, and they should be like, go opposite of whatever I do. Fails, fails, fails. Tries, get up there, above 50. A little bit bullishness kicking in on 5-second charts. Nice. Resistance. Can you get above the resistance? It's above the resistance. Pushing up. Nice. Above the 200 moving average. Nice. Counter trade TLI club. I like watching 5-second charts because, you know, the price, if price moves, you know, a little bit, it looks like it's a big move. Right? Instant bullishness, right? $200 moving average. That was the first time I randomly took the same bet, I think, before I even came here. Nice. You took Sand long. Looks at Tron in a while. I haven't traded since I sold my holdings, but it seems stuck below 0.06. I haven't looked at Tron. But the last time I looked at Tron chart, it looked, you know, long-term chart. Is Bitcoin recovering? Bullish engulfing candle, 5-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame. Trying to go up there. Let's go back to 5-second chart. As soon as we started watching 5-second charts, everything became nice. Minus 0.25. Yeah, 0.25. Getting rejected by that 200 moving average on 5-second chart. Guys, TA works on all the time frames, even, you know, 1 second and 10-second time frames. What's the entry? Entry on Sand is somewhere around 7270. So it's not that bad. Could have been better down here, but you know, we became a little bit too excited. Kinda a shame, no? Two times tried to get above 200 moving, it failed. Right now, double bottoming here below that. It's gonna break down here maybe. No, it tries to get above. It managed to get above the moving averages up here. Holding above there, nice. Still holding above that level. Trying to bounce off of the 1020 feet, 1020 and 200 moving average. I kind of failed. And below. So still sitting in my channel. It really tries to bounce. It really tries to bounce. Another hour I'll leave this and I'm even.
Welcome to NFTs. Have a look around. Anything your DJ brain can.
still holding a support line, and there is a resistance line. So I think if it can manage to break this resistance over here and hold the support, if it does this move up here, I think we can have a nice pump up here. But it's kind of failing. Yeah, it's failing. See up here. Tries to get it back in. Failed. Oh man. These 5 seconds moves. Love your music. You know Buddy Holly every day? No, I don't. Wow, the move up there to the resistance. Right back down again. But this line is not that legit though anymore. So I'm gonna try and... It's a channel. It's a channel, guys. It's an upwards channel. If this channel... Oh, channel breaks towards the upside. Ah, I failed. Fun songs in this. You always click away. So close. Come on, break this towards the upside, man. Enough of these games. There we go, there we go. Ah, come on, hold it above the line. There we go, come on, you know you can hold above the line. So much. These bots, man, these bots are crazy. Come on, you're above the line. You know you're above the line. I see you're above the line. Oh, such a fail. Nah, 5 seconds bears are stronger, but it's still channeling up here. Back to the support line now. Where is the bulls? Where is the bulls? Where is the bull bots? Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Back to this line up here, bouncing off that. Sorry, bears winning at least on these 5-second charts. Managed to hold this level. See here on the dollar getting rejected. These bots know exactly where the lines are. I don't know how they program these bots, but they know exactly where the lines are. Pushing it down. Channel broke. Let's double the channel. Still holding this line. I don't remember where I drew this line up here. That's these two lines. This looks like diamond that I don't believe in, so no, it's bouncing off the double channel. Nice. Easy patterns. Guys, if you want a pro tip, go down to the 5-second chart, find volatility, and then just draw the lines. This does some kind of expanding wedge up here. Big move, expanding wedge, so it goes up here, then towards the upside. Nah. The bears, these 5-second you know, fights, the bears are definitely winning. Just like over here, we had some kind of double top up here. Maybe we're gonna get some kind of double bottom up here. We get a higher high up here, higher lows. So maybe again some kind of rising wedge. These rising wedges are so crap. 5 minute looks consistent. Yeah, it's nice 5 minute candle up here, but right back down again below the support up here. Maybe. Minutes, 3 seconds left. We didn't get a bearish engulfing candle on 5 minute chart, so that's fine. And this this move up here, still breaking down. Let's correspond nicely down here. Bullish or bearish, liquidate me, then pushed right back up to where I was. Yeah, it happens often that way. For some reason they know exactly where your liquidation point is. They liquidate you and the price just goes right back up. It's like there is only like, you know, 2 traders, you know, in entire, you know, move. Sometimes it feels like you're the only trader on the entire exchange because the price comes right down where your liquidation point is, gets you out, and then turns around and goes back up. And you're like, are there no other traders here? Am I the only one? Right now, the bears did what the bears do. Some kind of, you know, moves up here, maybe resistance. Managed to get above resistance. 200 moving average. Scammy. Ooh, nice. Bulls are taking over again. What kind of pattern is it making up here? I don't know. Let's say this is a channel again. Everything gets broken. Also 5 minute channel. I like that it went down here and right now it's doing this over here, this box. Because if this box right now plays up here above the you know, 2350 or stuff like that, that's gonna be very, very bullish. So maybe come to, you know, to the place where this is actually supposed to go up. Just random lines. Every dip will be bought up 30k before pulling back. Yeah, that's what we are hoping for. These bots are really, really good at, you know, keeping the price stable at certain levels. I don't know how they do that, but you know, they're very good at this. It's curving a little bit. You see curve up here. Yeah. Curving. When stuff is curving around, you gotta assume versions. Funny fair spots, they call it. Feed files went up 50%. $0.40 low. No, $0.31. Tom can adjust their orders. Yeah, because they're bots. It's not manipulation, it's just bots. Yeah, I bought some ETH PO. Won't hold it. Am I mad? I don't know, man. Bots do what bots wanna do, right? Do you guys think I'm mad because I think this is gonna go up? But you know, hourly up here. Still 53 minutes, 4 hourly, 2 hours still left. We seem to be holding price. No, not mad. We're at resistance. Let's see the volume up here. Is there anything special about volume up here? Volume went down up here. It broke down here towards the downside. Kicked in. Legit breakout. This double bottom one needs to hold, I think. You're a market long to pump the price. Manny followed. Nice, thanks man. Appreciate the follow. David Bird followed. Thanks man. Appreciate the follow. There is not so much tweets right now, so I'm guessing people are getting a little bit, you know, bored. Really tough. What was the person thinking? What? Captain J. Kirk. Is this our captain? Something cool. Captain. Oh, they are selling Captain J. Kirk, different, you know, variations of it. They're selling the, you know, the name. Yeah, everyone market long to save the late adopter. Right now it's getting this bottom up in here. We're gonna see if this bottom fails, because if it fails, it can actually dump. Wow. Let's zoom out a little bit up here. Breaking the trend up here on the support. I think this curvature move up here, so you know that's the hoping right now. We need to dump to reset the RSI to go higher. No, RSI got to reset, so it's fine. Oh, what happened? Bullish. Suddenly bounced big time. Local GP. What's local GP? What's the GP? Three touches on 50-minute time frame. I think this is gonna go all the way to resistance. You just get rejected at 23k. Exactly at 23k up here. Let's see if he's gonna get rejected exactly, or he's gonna be able to, you know, get above the line. Golden pocket. Ah. Of course, I don't know what GP is. No. Maybe 5 seconds get you, you know, really. Broke the resistance. Exactly on the dollar hitting the line. It's gonna get rejected up here. Very crucial moment for Bitcoin right now. It's still not quite above it. Where are the bulls? Where are the bulls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles up here. Nah. Life. Went for lunch. There we go. Maybe, just maybe. Yes. Bulls are breaking the resistance. Maybe, maybe, just maybe. Hopium is there, definitely. Pump it, pump it, pump it. 23k. 23k, 0.2, 0.2, minus 0.2. Four hourly is still doing fine, no problem. 1 hourly is just hugging in between, you know, below the 10 moving average up here. 30 minutes is still below, but you know, you can just do one, you know, slight pump up here and it's finished. Retesting, right back in again. I gotta check stuff out, so 5-minute break.
You're the wave I was made from. Take me back to where we once began. Ocean father, I was wrong. Years I followed just the sun. Now I see your darkness holds the key. I close my eyes and I begin to see.
Still same channel. Bounced off of the support line up here, which is very nice. 2 times up here. First, second. Needs to get above this line. 22. 23, 2. Ready for a big red stick? Yeah, I'm ready. Anything than this sideways motion, man. I can definitely see this, you know, also falling down up here and then going up. But on 4 hour it looks good. Going to rising wedge up here, breaking the resistance up here. There's anything else. Dogecoin is doing nice moves towards the upside again. Up here. Sand is bounced off this line up here, down there. Do you have the divergence up here? No divergence up here. 4 hourly. Let's go 2 hourly. No divergence. Still don't have this cross up here yet, so the hopium is there, guys. The hopium is there. I'm so tired, man. Phantom is up 20%. Wow. Phantom is busting. Five-second chart. Oh, nice. Managed to get a move up here. Let's see if it's actually broke. Nah, on the dollar. I'm really glad that I don't have to, you know, make a trade right now because I'm so tired. I'm so tired. We're about to test VWAP on Bitcoin. Where is that at? Wow. Wow. Did you see that? Bulls won actually. For once Bulls won the 5-second chart. 23.90. Okay, green again. So your entries are right up here somewhere. Nice. 23.90. I mean, I wouldn't say, you know, 23.90 is all the way up here. I mean, to test that's a long way up. Bulls actually winning a little bit, you know, these 5-second charts. Damn, failed. Can't win, can't win, can't win. Yeah, that's right, that's right. Fake out, then pump. Get above the resistance, get above the resistance. Come on, you can do it, boy. So close. 3049 up here. Come on. I see you. This was nice move. Come on, it's so close, so close. Get above the resistance. There's the resistance line up here. Get above that. You can do it. Come on. There we go. Try harder. Come on, bots. You can do it, bots. I want to see green Bitcoin. Right now, minus 0.07. There we go. There we go. Bots are doing the thing. Bots are doing the thing. This is the VWAP test now. Okay. I thought you said 90. 90 is all the way up there. Oh, man. Retest, okay, retest good. It's following, you know, Doge is following Bitcoin almost to the dollar. Everything else is following Bitcoin to the dollar. Wow. Wow. Our sand long is doing fine. Our sand long is doing fine. 14% up. Very nice. And we lost it. Oh man. $23K resist so hard. Aftermoon. Aftermoon. 2393 maybe. We'll see. We are watching 5-second charts because this is the, you know, the most excitement we're gonna get right now. When stuff is going like sideways like it's doing right now, like you gotta watch 5-second charts to get any kind of excitement on stream. Yeah, I got 20 bucks. Step. Come on, Bitcoin is in green. 0.04 in green. We actually managed to get green. We are green, guys. Look at the volatility kicking in. I don't know what this line is. There we go. Come on, green, green. We are in green. We are back in green on the daily time frame. 0.04% in green. See, it's green again. Can you imagine? We have been watching this doji up here whole day, man. This little doji that's doing nothing whole day. We are back in green, guys. Back in green. Come on, finally something happening. Pumps afternoon. Green, we like green. Anything green is fine. Yeah, we're hitting our resistance, our entry on Dogecoin though. Sand is doing fine. Getting ready for this 4-hourly close up, which is gonna be nice. And Dogecoin also looking at 4-hour close, about 20 moving average will be very nice. On wow, what happened over here? Finally some greens, guys. Finally some greens. Nice. We can maybe go to 1 minute chart or something like that over here. Yeah, nice move up. Let's go 5 minute chart. 5 minute chart above all the moving averages, which is nice. Oh, this took so long time. 1 minute left. Should I cash my 15 bucks on Bitcoin? I don't know, man. Do you know what we should do one time? You know, $1 to $1 million. You know, $1 to $1 million trading channel. Can you do 1 million $1 to $1 million trading challenge. Is that even possible? I mean, if you can get $1 to $10 and $10 to $100, there is a, you know, big probability that you can do it to 1 million as well. Now I'll stay. I want 50 bucks. Greed. You're greedy, man. 15 bucks is good. Ooh, 1 hourly above 10 and 20 moving average. Real nice. 30 minutes left. Let's see 30-minute chart. Ooh, 30-minute chart looks good. Finally, something is happening. Something bullish is happening. Fees get you wrecked. But fees are just, you know, percentages of fees are just a percentage of whatever you put in. So if you put $1, it's still, you know, 0.07%. You know, technically, I mean, in that 112. Technically, I think that would be a nice challenge. Like, could you do, like, if you take $1 and do 100x and just let it go to the, you know, either liquidation, and you do it several times until you actually manage to get off of the, you know, ground, I think that would be nice. 30 minutes. If this 30-minute chart can also get above the 10-20 moving average up here, it will be nice. It's finally bouncing, starting to happen. You can see here we are coming to, you know, we have been watching this 4-hourly chart for a long time, man. Over 2 hours, almost 3 hours, we've been watching the same candle. Coming to some kind of double up here, maybe some kind of pullback. We'll see. I'm just happy I bought a lot sub 20k. However, I'm looking at juicy launchpad for next gains. Last bull market, man, was lit. I don't know about launchpads, man. I don't see like what's so exciting about launchpad. But I know, you know, people are, you know, into those kind of things, so, you know, I don't know. Launchpad, wallets, I just don't see excitement. There is nothing exciting about launchpad. Metaverse, on the other hand, NFTs, you know, mainstream is gonna go crazy about NFTs and made a few 100x. Ooh, this several times though. When you use several dollars than one. Yeah, but nobody knows. It only starts counting from that $1 when you start the challenge. You know. I did 195x the other day. No way. How did you do that? 195x. What did you do? You did 100x on something that went how much? 200%. Yeah, my Doge is in profit again. Thank you. I mean, I was, you know, I opened my Doge long up here, so it was up, you know, pretty much up here. Right now coming to this resistance level up here, but if it breaks the resistance, it can do another, you know, another move up there again. There we go, trying to get above that. This on 5-minute chart, so. Sand looking okay-ish. One hour is gonna be interesting. $30 minutes just closed. So long time. Come on, I don't want 35, I want 50. Greedy, man, you greedy. Look at these three tops up here. Look at these curvatures up here, man. This is gonna break down, I think. This is how you find the trades, right? Three up here. I think this needs to break down. But if it does not break down, if it goes up here above the resistance, then it's actually super bullish. Some kind of channel. From here on, only down. Enter the 1000x short, bro. Good for you, man. Bears are gonna get wrecked, guys. all the bears are gonna get wrecked. All the shorts are gonna get closed. People are gonna suffer because they're shorting. Tiny position though, $1 or $2. I'm figuring out some tricks for getting positions open at super high leverage with a reasonable probability of not getting instantly liquidated. This is fourth. Yeah, this needs to break down, I think. Possible to build an account from one. We should try that. I shall make an account, you know, transfer one, you know, sub account, transfer $1, and we're gonna try to, you know, see, you know, $1 account. What can we do, you know, with $1? Is it possible to, you know, create any kind of decent account with $1? I mean, that would be insane if we actually did that, right? You take $1 and you go to $1,000 or something like that. That'd be, you know, that'd be insane. But the leverage needs to be, you know, super high, like 100x, 50 and 100x every single time. And, you know, if you're able to build an account from $1, I mean, you won't be that sad if you lost that account after it comes to, you know, $100, $200, $1,000, because, you know, you start at $1, you know, you're not losing anything. Okay, close. $30, nice. I did 7 USD once from $1 on 85x. Ooh, that's nice. From 1 to 7. Do that a couple of more times and, you know, it's using 50x. Yeah, like high leverage is definitely, you know, see these curvatures up here, they are very, very bearish. You're gonna start doing this up here and drop down. We are still in green on Bitcoin, but, you know, let's do it. Yeah, we're gonna do it definitely. We're not gonna do it today. I'm too tired to do anything today. But yeah, I'm gonna make a sub account, $1 account, and we're gonna transfer $1, and we're gonna try to, you know, see what we can do with that $1. Is it possible to get $1 to, you know, $10? If you can get it to $10, then maybe you can get it to, you know, $100. And we're gonna do, you know, crazy trades, 100x every time. Watching, you know, 1 second chart. Wow, back inside the wedge. Big red stick on the make. The winning stuff gets easier. I don't know if it gets easier. I think every trade is the same. I think it's, you know, mentally it's easier because, you know, you don't need, you know, 65x on $1 when you got, you know, 50,000 account. You just need, you know, 5% move, 10% move, you know, making big money, right? This looks like, you know, drop down inside the box up here right now. If it can actually manage to get outside of this box up here, back inside up here, and then outside the other side, that's gonna be stupidly bullish. You got a system to get 1 to 10, you can go on. Yeah, but it's also a little bit luck, I think. I mean, even though if you get, you know, I don't believe in systems, but even if you, you know, trade, you know, $1 to $10, and you know, I think there is a psychological thing when you're trading $1. You're not really that invested. You take a lot more bigger chances, so, you know, it's easier to maybe make it, you know, to $10. But once you're above 10, maybe above 100, it gets harder because you know, the psychological, you know, kind of, what are you gonna say? The psychological barrier, it kind of stops you doing, you know, these crazy moves. So luck becomes lesser with time. Like crazy, they become more and more stable. Yeah, so we're gonna take the $1 we're gonna go 100x on everything, 150x, and hopefully that plays out. Come on, get back inside there. Do you trade Forex? No. I like trading real money. SP 4040. Yeah, S&P pumping. So it's only a matter of time when Bitcoin is gonna pump up. This is Nasdaq. This is Dow Jones. And this is S&P 500. Just a matter of time. I think we made a good choice. I think we just need to, you know, dodge pumping. No way. Nah, it's... Don't say stuff like that, man. You get me excited. It slowly came up above our entry and, you know, we are in profit, but, you know, we are not quite there yet. Hold your horse, man. Much blood to come. So they got a S position a step, and if the Bitcoin finally goes, it'll be good though. I am overly bullish. Needs to get back above the line up here. Dogecoin, Garbarzino. You don't understand. Dogecoin is a meme coin. And the CEO of Dogecoin is Elon Musk. And Elon Musk owns Twitter. And Twitter is gonna be taken over by Mr. Beast. And Mr. Beast will take the torch of Dogecoin and move it forward. Do you know how many subs Mr. Beast have? You have to think in these kind of, you know, ways. Who has more influence? It used to be a good sign for the Bears. Overly bullish. No, man. Okay, it's just 200 moving average. Don't like meme coins. Like, I got nothing against meme coins. It's not like I have a love-hate relations. It's not like I believe in, you know, there should only be, you know, good projects around. No. I like anything that can pump. You need to... I'm shorting Kisha to 0. I don't think you can short Kishu. Split the screen, one for Sand and one for Bitcoin. We just did it like this. Oh man, Sand is falling down again to -2%. What happened, man? What happened? It's pullback. Okay. Dodge is also above my entry up here. This is also a 10x entry, 10x entry low. We got a 2 trade right now. It's a 10x entry low. But Bitcoin is so not doing anything special right now. I mean, it's such a big bag of nothing. We're gonna keep this line. I think this line is important for bullishness to kick in. Green still, did Bitcoin get the liquidity at 22.3 already? No, then it will go there first before pumping. Well, let's see. Which I found 5 seconds is so ridiculous, bro. Nah, this is the only thing. Right now, Bitcoin is not doing anything. If you look in 5-minute chart, it's so boring, man. It's so boring. Put the parachute, guys, just for safety. Nami, constant bear. How can you be still bearish after we broke the trend and established an uptrend? How can you be still so bearish? This is actually good. This I think this has you know, probability to pump. This move up here. Nah, no. That was a fail big time. See that? I thought this move up here had a probability towards the upside, but it wants to paint it. Let's put the line down here. No. There you go. This way, man. This way. There you go. Yeah, we just need to show it direction, you know. See, that's the resistance, but you know, we're gonna help you up here. Come on, push it up this way. You know you can do it, man. You know you can do it. Second of parables. What's the bigger trend over here? There we go. Managed to get up a little bit up here. Nah, don't fail so hard, man. Every single time you try to go up, you fail. What kind of Bitcoin are you? There we go. Wow, there was some nice buys. Bots, come on, bots. We believe in you, bots, man. We believe. This is just bot action, guys. This is just bot action. There's only one way you can. Yeah, guys. If you want to help, you know, buy Bitcoin, trade Bitcoin on Bybit, 250k. Only 250k. You get 30k sign-up bonus. You deposit 250k. If you know, so bring it out. You know, bring out your cold wallets. Join Bybit. There we go. This looks okay-ish. This looks okay-ish. Come on, you can do it. This line is actually quite nice. And if you can break this line, at the same time breaking this line over here as well, bam. With my $5 up. I think so, man. I think so. I think that's the thing. That if you place that $5 with 100x leverage at the exactly right time, it just might move it a little bit into bullish direction above certain resistance, where the bots will assume that's a big buy and they will, you know, push it in that direction. Axel will all the way. You simply put in money on the big hands. Rejection, rejection, rejection every single time. Doesn't matter. Bitcoin's still green. Be good. 1 hourly closing in. Wow, the dump. Tried so much, came so far, still failed. Look here. Okay, my entry right now, 10x entry long on Doge, is right now support, which is good. $12 minutes until 1 hourly close. This needs to pump. Bitcoin back in red. Viva pretest. Definitely don't like to make money. What's your entry on Sand? 7270. Down here. Okay, 50 minutes perhaps now probable for me. We still got like 11 minutes until 1 hourly closes, and then it becomes interesting because that's the last hour of the 4 hourly close. So we'll see. This is 1 hourly up here on Bitcoin. Oh. Ethereum 1 hourly. 1 hourly is gonna be interesting right now. Can we pump on 1 hourly? Well, if you look at a 5-minute time frame, this move down here that we have been watching right now, it's nothing. Do you see any kind of pattern over here, guys? There is some kind of line up here. Support line breaking as well. Again, just like over here. Ten minutes left. When I'm alone, I feel even more secure about it. See lower lows and higher lows. Yeah, and this part over here, there might be that. But. Oh, bullish divergence up here. This looks like a Bitcoin move. Right? No, doesn't look like a Bitcoin move. Nope, this is not a Bitcoin move. Every single time it loses support, every single time. Every bullish pattern broke towards the downside. So what can we, what can we assume? We can assume that it looks weak. Short term looks weak. There we'll go back to 21k. 3k just got sold off. Now a new low for you. Another one for another one. Pro trading 5-second chart. No, we are just looking at 5-second charts, because this is the, price is literally, standing still. If you look at a 4-hourly chart, I mean, the thing that you are looking at then is this move up here that doesn't do nothing. If you look at a daily chart, it's a goddamn doji. This is what we are looking for, So that, if you look at any kind of other chart, like this is what you're looking at, right? And it's so boring that we gotta go to the 5-minute chart to get some kind of excitement in the chat. We gotta watch something. Sam's doing fine so far. If this was, maybe right now, maybe. We are way away from 1 million. We are just at 2.9k. Look at the bleed, man. Look at the bleed. Let's look at the volume up here. Volume kind of going a little bit down in this move up here, so it's good. So this move up here, the volume going a little bit down. 31.5. Where do you think we could pull back to? I don't know. I haven't actually analyzed that too much. But you know, talking about 31.5, you know, it's too early, man, too early. We gotta get above 25, then we can talk about, you know, where the resistance is gonna be. 25 is important. If you get above 25, we can talk about, you know, pullbacks and stuff like that. Yeah, we'll see if we can get it a little bit more than that. How can you just keep on dumping, man? Entire move up here pulls back. Yeah, this 1 hourly is not gonna play out. Four hourly is still fine. Oh, maybe some trend is being broken over here. Maybe. Buy got it, then stop it buy. We didn't have the expiration on the 5-second time frame. Now that would be insane. Open at 1 minute, I believe. You got this. TLA. Later up to the moon. TLA to the moon. TTM. OP is a good loan. Nah, OP is done. 10.25 is smooth sailing to 30k. Yeah, I think so. From 25-30, I think it could, you know, do it easily. But first we gotta get above 25, you know. Until we get 25, like, there is nothing. If everyone is waiting for 25, to stand to reason market will sell before. That's a very good assessment, man. So maybe we are in a selling zone, redistribution zone, or distribution zone. It might be that. That's why I'm saying that, you know, getting about 25 is important, but it might so be that we don't do that. Just consolidation, we went parabolic for 7 days straight. Yeah. I think so too. That's my assessment, you know. I think it's consolidation, and then we continue pumping about 25, then everybody FOMOs in, and then we drop. Two minutes until 1 hourly close, so we're gonna check it out, how it's playing out. How much can you recover with this move towards the upside? Size bearish diverging in 1 hour and 4 hourly. Where's the line on the 8 o'clock? This is the line. Once it gets above this line, the hourly closes. And once the hourly closes, we assess the situation and figure out what we're gonna do. Just get 1 to 400 and go from 400 to 1 million. Just. Still long, Sand. Yeah, still long. Still up. Get a couple more seconds on the hourly close. Let's see up here. There we go. I think we got it. I think we got a 1 hourly close. Let's assess the situation right now. So 1 hourly managed to close above 10 moving average up here, which is very nice. We didn't close above 20 moving average, but we did close above 10 moving average. If you look at the 30-minute time frame up here, we pull, you know, we had a big move up here above L moving average. Right now, pull back to this above 20 and 10 moving average, which is, you know, okay-ish. Okay, so I would say, you know, this looks okay. It's not the best thing. I mean, best thing would be above 20 moving average up here, but it's not that bad. It's okay. It does seem that there could be some kind of, you know, bullishness. Now if we, you know, lose the 20 again, you know, this can just take for so long. You're just waiting. I mean, this could go on for, you know, 3, 4, 5 more hours, literally. Dogecoin managed to get a hourly above 10 moving average, which bullish engulfing candle above 10 moving average. Right now pullback, that doesn't matter up here. 30 minutes actually close below. Let's see Sand. Sand didn't get above the 10 moving average up here. 30 also got rejected up here. Matic, why would I want to check Matic out? What's happening in Matic? It's just 10%, it's been 10% for a whole day. Okay guys, but we're gonna end the stream over here because, you know, this is just, you know, painful. I mean, it might pump, it might not pump, but, you know, there is that. We're gonna end the stream and the long up here, I'm gonna keep open and see what I'm gonna do with it. It's 10% up right now, so, you know, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna close it or not. I'm gonna follow the charts, you know, offline a little bit and see if I'm gonna close my, you know, long up here. Also the Dodge long is right now, I think it's down. Yeah, it's down 3% or something like that up here. So Dodge long also is right now a little bit down, but I'm gonna keep following them, and I might close the trade eventually if I see, you know, weakness in price and stuff like that. But I just can't watch any more of 5-minute charts, guys. Sorry, 5-second charts, man. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. Let's look at this move. Okay, over here. Let's look at this move up here. There is this move up here. If it breaks this resistance up here, first it needs to break this resistance over here. If you can break both of these, then we're gonna continue watching a little bit more. Maybe it's gonna pump, right? How much you want to get from Sand? I don't know, a whole bunch. There you go. This actually broke. This is nice. And right now, you know, it's hitting this resistance up here. This resistance up here is important. Sand. The thing about Sand, yeah, I chose Sand because I think, you know, Sand can actually perform well over time. So that means that, you know, we need to hold it up here, all the way up to some kind of resistance up here, at least up here somewhere, right? 78, 79, and, you know, that would be something like, you know, 8-9% move. I mean, it's not unimaginable, but that's like one of the first, you know, major resistance levels up here, right? So this move towards the upside over here. And then if you can manage to break, it's just gonna explode, right? But that's why I want to get in very, very early. That means below the moving average and so forth, so forth. Wow, the rejection after rejection after rejection. Okay guys, I cannot watch 5-second charts anymore. Wait for Asia, is correct. Yeah, it might be that Asia is gonna come in and do the stuff. Guys, thanks for stopping by. We're gonna do another stream tomorrow, and hopefully it's gonna be a little bit more interesting than this one. Okay, one more move. Whichever line breaks, bros. If this line breaks, we close the stream. If this line breaks, we take watch a little bit more. Okay. Who suspended? Policy violation. What? YouTube reads the chat comments. What happened, guys? What happened? Did my stream really get suspended? Oh, so it's only while I... Upphavsrätt problem. No, I didn't. But there is... Let me try to, pop the music again. Okay, I'm guessing I need to start playing, some kind of, music that's not copyrighted. So there's that. Again. Yeah, but we're gonna see what comes out. Can you guys hear me? I don't think you can hear me. What just happened? Well, YouTube told me that I was streaming copyrighted content and then they stopped the stream. So this is the last time I play copyrighted content. So if you guys got some kind of music that we can play on stream that's not copyrighted, that'd be nice. By the way, this is the best chocolate in Norway. Promotion. Is Bitcoin ever gonna do this move, guys? It's copyright-free music. Yeah, there is a lot of copyright-free music, or at least they say on YouTube it's copyright-free. But when you play it, you know, you get copyright strike. Let me see here. It's okay now. We can still stream. Ah. Five-second accumulation zone, guys. A 5-second accumulation zone. Okay, I'm done. It's going down. Guys, I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Same time, same place.